I used to think my designs were the reason my t-shirts weren't selling. I'd spend hours tweaking my colors, fonts, and mockups, obsessing over the smallest details again and again without a single sale to show for it. That's when I realized the problem wasn't my design. It was the t-shirt I was putting it on. Different buyers expect different fits, fabrics, and styles from their tees. And if your shirt doesn't match that expectation, it doesn't matter how good the design is, they just won't buy it. Let me explain. People want to feel good in the clothes they wear, and whether they realize it or not, they'll be paying attention to the little things that help them feel that way. Think about it for yourself. What kind of t-shirts do you like? Do you prefer a looser neckline, a V-neck, or something more fitted? Do you like wearing shirts that are light and breathable or heavy and cozy? The more you think about it, the more you'll realize we all have preferences. Understanding those preferences is how you can pick a shirt that your customers will actually want to buy. So let's start with how a t-shirt is made and the difference that makes for your buyers. Most t-shirts are made in two main ways: tubular or side-seamed. Tubular tees have bodies that are made out of a literal tube of fabric. The arms and necks are actually sewn on later. And since they don't need the extra stitching along the sides, tubular tees are faster and less expensive to produce. However, they also often result in a shirt that doesn't quite fit your body. After all, human beings aren't shaped like tubes. That's where side-seamed shirts come in. These shirts are cut and sewn together at the sides. This extra stitching creates a shape that sits more naturally on the body. And because of this extra work, these shirts take a little longer to produce and as a result, cost more. Tubular shirts can be a safe bet if you don't know your buyer's body type. They offer a generic-looking loose fit that can be useful if you need to be active. But if you're selling to people who care more about fit or fashion, side-seam tees offer a cleaner fit, better drape, and more retail-ready look. Right away, you can see that even without a design, the structure of a shirt can still tell a story. It's one part of letting a buyer know whether your shirt is the right choice for them. The next part involves pairing the right look with the right feel. And for that, we need to talk about fabric. Before looking at which type of fabrics work best for different buyers, there's one detail that's easy to overlook, but impossible to ignore once you pick up a shirt. It's weight. Fabric weight might not be top of mind for your customer, but it will affect how a shirt feels and whether they'll wear it again. That makes it a smart place to start when figuring out which fabric is right for your buyer. Different fabric weights serve different needs. Lightweight fabrics are breathable, flexible, and great for warmer climates or layering. Think beach merch, yoga gear, or kids' shirts that need to move with them. But the lighter the shirt, the fewer printing techniques it can support, especially if your design is ink heavy. Heavyweight fabrics, on the other hand, are built for structure. They hold their shape better, work great for bold designs, and are better for cooler temperatures. Heavier fabrics are popular with streetwear or counterculture brands offering a more modern look. In the Printify catalog, fabric weight is either labeled as lightweight or heavyweight, or measured in ounces per square yard or grams per square meter. As a quick rule of thumb, lightweight shirts are between 3 to 5 ounces per square yard, while heavyweight fabrics are from 6 ounces and up per square yard. Now, let's talk about the 3 most common fabric types: cotton, polyester, and blends. Cotton is the most popular for a reason. It's breathable, soft, and easy to print on. It feels more natural to the skin, but can shrink, stain, or fade depending on quality and care. Now, not all cotton is created equal though. Ring-spun cotton has a tighter weave that makes your prints look cleaner. Combed cotton goes a step further. It removes short, scratchy fibers for that buttery soft feel, while organic cotton leaves out any added chemicals, making it better for the planet and for people with sensitive skin. Use cotton if you're targeting lifestyle buyers who prioritize comfort over everything. It's versatile, natural, and works well for nearly every kind of customer. Then there's polyester, the go-to choice for performance. It's synthetic, ultra durable, and dries fast, which makes it perfect for activewear or hotter climates. It holds ink well, resists shrinking, but is less breathable and can trap heat for a clingy feel. Either way, it's the best choice for gym and wellness merch or anyone with an active lifestyle. Right in the middle of these two options are blends. Blended fabrics combine 2 or more fibers, like cotton and polyester, for the best of both worlds. They're soft, wrinkle-resistant, and usually cost less than premium cotton. Blended fabrics also produce colors that have a speckled color pattern. These are known as heather colors and result from different fabrics being stitched together. A lot of sellers prefer heather-colored shirts because they have a more muted and textured look, especially if they have casual wear brands or buyers who want something easy, everyday, and low maintenance. So how do you choose which fabric option is the best for you? Here's a simple way to break it down. If your buyer wants comfort and versatility, 100% cotton is the classic choice. If they care about durability and performance, go with polyester. And for a budget-friendly option that's durable but still feels soft, blended fabrics are your sweet spot. Fabric is key to getting the feel of a shirt right from the start. But it's not what most buyers notice first. That would be the fit. And just like fabric, the right fit sends the right message. Here's how to choose a fit that speaks directly to your customer. Standard fit shirts are your classic boxy tees. They're roomy around the torso, have wider necklines and sleeves, and look great on a variety of body types. For a more tailored look though, a shirt with a fashion or retail fit is a better option. They're slightly tighter along the arms, necks, and torso, and are a popular choice for style-conscious shoppers. What's interesting is that over the last couple of years, the demand for form-fitting clothing has actually slowed down. Turns out, Gen Z shoppers prefer t-shirts with a looser, oversized fit that feels more relaxed. It's a fashion statement that expresses nonconformity by looking intentionally shapeless. It's a trend that's especially popular with urban or streetwear brands. Older shoppers, however, still prefer shirts that highlight their bodies and don't drown their frame. So what are some options for fits that feel loose but still look flattering? If your customer wants comfort but doesn't want to look sloppy, go with a relaxed fit. It's looser without going fully oversized and works well for casual wear or plus-size shoppers. For shoppers who want something more fitted but not skin tight, slim fit is a solid choice. It's a versatile choice for buyers looking for stylish, minimalist, or wellness-themed designs. Then there's the oversized fit, which goes all in on shape and silhouette. These are bold, roomy, and made to stand out, especially for Gen Z and trend-forward niches. On the flip side, if your audience includes gym goers or fitness influencers, look for an athletic fit. Athletic tees taper at the waist and hug the chest and shoulders so they can flex with your body. And finally, for brands leaning into vintage or artistic vibes, there's the boxy fit. It's wide, slightly cropped, and super popular with college-age shoppers. Once you know the fit, the next step is picking out the right shirt. There are tons of options to choose from in the Printify catalog. But to make it easier, here are 5 different shirts you can offer with each of these fits. But as always, we need to think about the buyer first. Let's start with the comfort-first, everyday buyer. They're not chasing trends, they just want something soft, easy to wear, and built to last. The Comfort Colors 1717 is perfect here. It's a tubular tee with a relaxed fit that's roomy and ideal for everyday wear, especially for cozy lifestyle brands, vintage-inspired designs, and buyers who care more about comfort than contour. Next is the Clean Cut Minimalist. These folks want a modern tee that's structured but still laid back. The Bella and Canvas 3010 is built for that balance. It's side-seamed for structure, but still loose with a slightly cropped cut and dropped shoulders. Perfect for minimalist or unisex brands or sellers designing for Gen Z's neutral core aesthetic. Then there's the oversized streetwear fan. They're looking for a shirt with some weight, shape, and a lot of attitude. The AS Color 5082 Faded Tee checks every box. It's a truly oversized fit with heavyweight fabric and designed to look worn in from day one. Best for streetwear drops, grunge aesthetics, or bold designs that make a statement. Now let's talk about the active lifestyle buyer. They're constantly in motion and want something that keeps up. The Team 365 TT11 Zone Performance Tee is built for performance with an athletic fit that's lightweight, breathable, and moisture wicking, ideal for gym merch, wellness shops, or any brand with a sporty edge. And finally, the polished feminine shopper. She's looking for softness, shape, and something flattering enough to dress up or down. The next level 3900 boyfriend tee is a slim fit option that's fitted through the torso, slightly longer in length, and ultra soft to the touch. Great for boutique sellers, lifestyle brands, or gift-ready shops focused on women's fashion. T-shirts aren't just about designs, they're about choices. And now that you know how to choose the right shirt for your customer, the next step is actually making one. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a custom t-shirt step by step using Printify. From adding your design, adjusting the placement, and selecting the right colors for your shirt. Click the link to learn how to create your next t-shirt in minutes.